Welcome back to our channel, dear viewers. Today, we're embarking on a culinary journey to explore one of Korea's most iconic dishes, bibimbap. It's not just a meal, it's a harmonious blend of flavors and a reflection of Korean culture. But did you know that there are some lesser-known facts about this beloved dish? Let's dive right in. Bibimbap, which literally means mixed rice, has a history dating back centuries. It's said to have originated during the Joseon era, where it was served as a royal delicacy. But what makes bibimbap truly special is its symbolism. The careful arrangement of colorful vegetables, protein, and gochujang sauce is believed to represent the balance and harmony of nature, making it not just a treat for the palate but a feast for the eyes. At the heart of every bibimbap is a bold and vibrant sauce called gochujang. This spicy red paste is made from fermented soybeans, red chili peppers, glutinous rice, and salt. Its umami-packed flavors are what give bibimbap its distinct kick and bring the whole dish together. Gochujang is not only an essential component of bibimbap but is widely used in many Korean dishes, showcasing the depth of Korean culinary prowess. While bibimbap is known worldwide, it has evolved in different regions of Korea, adapting to local tastes and ingredients. For example, in Jeonju, a city known for its rich culinary heritage, you'll find Jeonju bibimbap, which features a wide variety of vegetables and a slightly sweeter gochujang sauce. On the other hand, in Tungyang, a coastal city, you might come across Himul bibimbap, which incorporates fresh seafood. In 2011, bibimbap was recognized by UNESCO as an intangible cultural heritage. This acknowledgement not only highlights the cultural significance of this dish but also emphasizes the importance of preserving and promoting its unique heritage for future generations to enjoy. Bibimbap's popularity has transcended borders and has found its way onto the menus of many international restaurants. Chefs around the world have put their spin on this classic dish, adding diverse ingredients while keeping the essence of bibimbap alive. This cultural exchange through food is a testament to the global appeal and adaptability of Korean cuisine. Beyond its rich history and cultural significance, bibimbap is simply a delight to eat. The act of mixing all the colorful components together creates a symphony of flavors, textures, and aromas that tantalize the senses. It's a meal that brings people together, fostering a sense of community and togetherness around the table. And there you have it, the captivating tale of bibimbap and some lesser-known facts that make it even more fascinating. Whether you're a seasoned fan of Korean cuisine or new to its wonders, bibimbap is a dish that's sure to leave a lasting impression. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of bibimbap, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with fellow food enthusiasts. And, of course, if you want to explore more exciting content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, happy eating and stay curious.